It's Sunday. The world rests. And yet, here, on this inconspicuous construction site, there's a very special kind of silence. It's the calm before the storm, the silence before deployment. Giants of steel and high-tech wait patiently. These are not just machines. These are the silent heroes of the modern world, the invisible saviors of our infrastructure. With their immense power and precision, they are the vanguard of the energy transition, ready to play a crucial role. On behalf of TenneT, one of Europe's leading transmission system operators, they await their hour. Their mission: to connect our country with a sustainable, stable, and green energy supply for the future. They are laying the arteries of the energy transition, powering our daily lives and shaping tomorrow. Their true strength lies in an ingenious technique, trenchless installation. While others tear up the landscape, these specialists work underground. With millimeter precision, they drill long tunnels, crossing rivers, forests, and sensitive biotopes, leaving no visible trace on the surface. This is environmental protection in perfection. Each of these tools is a masterpiece of engineering. With modern navigation systems, powerful hydraulics, and specially developed drill bits, they overcome even the greatest challenges. They are the result of years of research and development, built for precision and reliability where others would long reach their limits. When they start their work tomorrow, they will invisibly lay the foundation for our future. They connect offshore wind farms to our sockets, bring solar energy into the grid, and thus secure our power supply for generations to come. They are the bridge builders of the energy transition, enabling us a green, sustainable future. These sleeping giants are more than just construction machines. They are a symbol of progress, of protecting our environment, and of the tireless pursuit of a better, cleaner world. The heroes of TenneT, ready for their next, invisible mission.